So let's go ahead and pull out our key details for problems 3 and 4. So this problem states Janie has $3. She earns $1.50 for each chore she completes. She wants to earn enough money to buy a new paint set for $36. How many chores would Janie need to complete to be able to afford the paint set? So let's pull out our important details. Okay, so Janie has $3. She earns $1.50 per chore, and she needs $36. That would mean that after she completes her chores, she needs more than or equal to $36 to be able to get the new paint set. So our next question will be, how is she going to get this $36? So she gets a $3 starting amount, and then in addition, she's going to get $1.50 per chore. And that would have to give her more than or equal to $36. So when you see the word per, that is typically where your variable is going to go. So this would be 3 plus 150x is greater than or equal to 36. And you're probably going to see it with the variable written first. So that would be 150x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 36. Right, now you need to go ahead and solve that for question number 4. And you need to figure out how many chores Janie would need to do to be able to afford the paint set. So in other words, how many chores would she need to do to get a total of $36?